This year has seen many promising headlines related to natural remedies. Medical studies are tireless and not boring in search of a cure for increasing human diseases, although there is a trend towards medical treatments that do not overburden the body with its side effects. Here are the top 10 natural treatments for 2020, newly confirmed. 1. Nutritional psychiatry is the future of mental health. One of the reasons why many people fail to control mental health problems, such as depression and anxiety, is their diet. Increased nutrient deficiency is increasingly recognized as being responsible for a range of mental problems, such as bipolar disorder, hyperactivity disorder, and attention deficit. The field of nutritional psychiatry could be the key to dealing with these problems. It is interesting to think that eating the right foods may prevent countless people from taking antidepressants and dangerous antipsychotics. 2. Turmeric has the same potency as 14 pharmacological drugs. If you are wondering why so many people think that turmeric is so important, there are more than 5,000 research studies on the health benefits of this ancient spice. These yellow spices can replace more than 10 different drugs that countless people take regularly in many cases, from cholesterol and diabetes medications to antidepressants. They all represent a small number of medications on the list, which can be avoided with the help of turmeric. 3. Ginger has the same effect as aspirin, and without any side effects. If you take aspirin daily to prevent heart disease, listen to the following. You may be able to get all the benefits of aspirin without the risk of excessive bleeding and organ failure, by moving to ginger instead of aspirin. Not only is it an anti-inflammatory, but it has also the same action as aspirin when it comes to curbing the COX-2 cyclooxygenase, an enzyme that promotes inflammation that can lead to heart disease and chronic disease. Ginger can also have the same effect as aspirin in diluting your blood to prevent clots from forming. 4. Herbal remedies promote blood circulation in the feet. Poor circulation and swelling in the feet is very common, and many people do not realize that some natural remedies can completely solve this problem. Ginkgo biloba, garlic, and hawthorn berries can improve blood circulation in your feet without any of the side effects that come with prescription medications. 5. Coconut oil is better for dispelling insects. It is true that diet is ideal for flushing the insects, but it has enough effects on your health that most people refrain from using it. A new interesting study revealed that the fatty acids present in coconut oil are a powerful repellent that can last a long time against disease-carrying insects, such as ticks, mosquitoes, biting flies and bed bugs. 6. Healthy foods lower blood pressure than medications. Everyone seems to be taking blood pressure medications after they reach a certain age, but this should not be the case. Many foods can play the same role as many common blood pressure drugs, if not more efficient. For example, both beets, garlic and dark chocolate have proven their ability to help keep blood pressure at healthy levels. 7. Vinegar, apple juice before bed. Apple cider vinegar is one of the great foods that enjoy many health benefits, but it is especially useful when consuming it before going to bed. As it was assigned many benefits, including reducing acid reflux, preventing indigestion, stabilizing blood sugar, and relieving throat pain. 8. Oriental medicine and anti-cancer secrets in 7 Asian countries. For everyone who thinks that Western medicine greatly underestimates us when it comes to cancer treatment, the 7-part documentary titled Eastern Medicine: Journey Through Asia is a series to watch. It addresses natural cancer treatments in places like Japan, Thailand, India, Taiwan and the Philippines, reminding everyone that chemotherapy is not the only option. 9. Biostimulants reduce the need for antibiotics. A recent review of 12 studies found that children and babies who consumed biostimulants daily reduced their chances of needing antibiotics by 29%. When incorporating higher quality studies, the percentage was impressive, at 53%. In doing so, it can become a valuable approach to reduce the problem of antibiotic resistance by bacteria. 10. Natural antifungal treatments reduce the growth of Candida fungi. Overgrowth of Candida fungi is a very common problem, and a correct diet can play a big role in eliminating this problem. However, there are some natural remedies that you can try to support the healing process, such as grapefruit seeds extract, coconut oil, garlic, ginger, cinnamon, and clove oil. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.